really what we're trying to do is remove any friction and give people more access. And we're having a lot of success with that. You know, you probably saw in our most recent results, our digital business is now up to 11%.
Yeah, up 48%.
Up 48%. And, you know, what's really exciting is we're seeing people continue to adopt the utilization of the app and then all the new access channels that we're creating, whether it's these digital pickup shelves or delivery. We're just getting tremendous response from our customers.
So you got the buffet in the front, but there's also one in the back to fill all the delivery orders.
Yeah, so one of the things that is really powerful for our company is we've got what we call a digital make line, and it is completely separate from the customer-facing line. So when you come into the restaurant and you go down that customer-facing line, if you've placed a digital order, it doesn't get in the way of that experience. And then we're putting in place these digital pickup shelves so that when you order ahead, you literally can walk in, grab your food, go, completely frictionless experience.
What does that mean in terms of what you need staffing-wise? Do you need more people or less people to do that? And I ask just because of the environment for hiring right now.
Yeah, so our digital line requires fewer people to run it versus the front line. And the thing that's great is what we've seen is this digital business is highly incremental. So the additional labor necessary to support the incremental sales, it works really well for us.
How is the environment for hiring right now? What do you have to pay?
You know, Chipotle has got one of the best, I think, employee value propositions out there. You know, we pay, I think, ahead of the norm in most markets. And then when I look at all the benefits and the opportunities that we provide, the growth opportunities are tremendous. So people can come in as a crew member and they can find themselves being an apprentice on their way to running a restaurant in less than 18 months because of the combination of new units that we're building, as well as then the growth in the business within the existing restaurant that they're in.
When Chipotle brought you on from your last place, and I do think there's kind of two kinds of people in the world. There's like Taco Bell people and Chipotle people. I think we can come together, and that was my hope when they brought you on board. Or did they bring you on board to make it frictionless and just to do Chipotle better? Or do you have any remnants of your Taco Bell days to bring to Chipotle at this point?
No, look, Chipotle has got a very different approach to its menu and its operating model. So, you know, one of the things that's great about Chipotle is it's real ingredients, it's real cooking.
Right.
You know, frankly, I think it's changing food culture for the good. And the thing that's really unique about it is when you walk into that restaurant, you see all of the cooking happening in front of you, and then you can move down that line and get customization at an unbelievable
But you
speed.
will do nachos for me, Brian?
We're actually testing nachos.
Because you got a great new place right near my house, and the Taco Bell left.
Eventually, maybe those nachos will make it into New Jersey. Right now they're in Minneapolis.
Are you sure you want me to come? I mean, I know you're obsessed with millennials, so I want to turn it over to
well, you've got a millennial look to you, so, you know.
Well, thank you. I feel
sure we can get you
you're
in.
only as young as I'm feeling millennial.
He's sitting far away.
I hang out in my basement, pretend I'm with my parents' house.
Brian, let's talk a bit more about accessibility. That was one of your major initiatives and one of your big pushes as CEO. So you have the pickup shelves, you have the mobile pickup lanes in stores. Tell us how those are testing and what other initiatives may be coming down the pike.
Yeah, so this new mobile pickup window, we've got it in 4 restaurants right now. And literally, the way it works is you order ahead and you pick your time, and then you literally come right by the restaurant. We've got a window, your food comes out the window, and off you go. And we're seeing tremendous response to that. And it's in a market in Ohio, a market in Texas, and we're going to start adding more restaurants in 2019. So you're going to see us building more restaurants that have the ability for that mobile pickup. But the thing that is happening right now on a broad scale basis are these second lines. We've digitized them. We're in about 750 restaurants. We'll have all 2,500 restaurants done by the end of 2019. And then to accompany that, we're putting in these digital shelves so that literally you can skip the whole process.